roller skating. I don't know why I said it like this. Roller skating, okay? So I know quarantine has got all of us kind of like exploring and discovering new things and trying new things, hopefully. And one thing that I've been seeing this all over TikTok, okay? It's roller skating. I don't know why I said it like this. Roller skating, okay? So I have been thinking about it. I even made a TikTok about it. And I finally decided, you know what? I don't think this coronavirus is gonna go anywhere soon. And I'm just going to try to enjoy my time and do some outdoor activities to get myself A, outside more, because I don't really go outside, and B, some sun, and C, some exercise that is fun. So if you don't know, I used to figure skate as a little girl, and it was something that I loved doing. So when I saw women looking so freaking cute roller skating, I was like, I think I need to get on this. So let me show you. I got my skates in already. All right, so these are Impala skates. These were not my first choice in skates, but let me tell you, everywhere I sold out. So I actually got these off of eBay and I bought them out. I paid a pretty penny. Too much than I probably should have, but seriously, supplies are limited, and I had already ordered some previously from a skate shop in Huntington Beach, and they like emailed me saying, you know, shipping is gonna take longer because of COVID, and I was like, okay, yeah, cool, do your thing. And literally a month and a half passed by, and then they emailed me back saying, sorry, we don't actually have the skates. So I was like, fed up. I was like, okay, I'm just ordering them. I'm getting them. I got these on eBay. And the first choice that I wanted were these rose gold ones. But those were completely gone. And so we're gonna unbox today my skates. I'm already going. We're already unboxing. Here they are. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, they smell good. They smell fresh. So, check them out. They are so colorful. They have purple wheels. They're so smooth. Okay, wait. So let me take them both out of the box. We're gonna lace these bad boys up. I'm gonna try them on. We are going to skate around. I haven't skated in a really long time. And so I bought a size 8. I am normally a size 8 in women's shoes, US. And, you know, I read some reviews saying that they run small, and then there was also some reviews that were like, I read those reviews that said they run small and they don't actually run small. And now I'm stuck with big skates. So I was like, I'm just gonna order my size. What does this say? Oh, I got the warranty. I got the extended warranty. I think it was like 20 bucks. So it is 2 years. I don't know exactly, you know, I'll read this later. But yeah, I don't know why does it come with a paper? But yeah, I got the warranty just in case something happens. So I guess, should I lace them up? First of all, hold on. Gotta do a little plug here, okay? I'm wearing my rainbow socks, okay? These are from my company, TiffyQuake. How freaking cute are they? They have our Cosmo cat on them. My mom sewed these little patches on herself. But I love these socks, and I was like, oh my God, these would be great to rollerblade in or roller skate in. So gotta be colorful. It's a little bit cold outside today. I was wearing shorts earlier, and then I went outside and I was like, it's cold. They're so bright. I freaking love these socks. If you guys want some, link will be in the description. I've been really proud of everything that we've been coming out with recently, and I'm just like, I want to keep it going, you know? So I haven't even taken a look inside of these. Oh my gosh, it smells, it smells so good. Why do I like that smell? New shoe smell. Okay, So I'm gonna lace these up. Look at the freaking, look at the laces. They're rainbow, pastel rainbow. I hope that these don't get dirty. I'm gonna try my best to take the best care of them. But look, here's the laces. Oh my gosh, they're so fun. So excited. So I'm just going to stick this in. And I wonder if I should put them on and lace them up. Let's do that. These are super cute though. I didn't even go over any detail. So let me show you. Okay, I'm just excited. It says Impala in white glitter. And then, I mean, these, oh, my stomach's growling. I'm hungry. We got the little Impala skates at the top. I'm not like, I haven't put on roller skates ever since I was a little girl. So, but I do love the pastel purple here. That's definitely gonna get dirty because I'm gonna be using these outside. The hiccups. So we're gonna lace these bad boys up. So if I remember anything from ice skating, I remember the skates were like super tight, but it's good to have them laced up tight because you really want to protect your ankles. So we're gonna lace them up really good. Okay, first one is on. I tried to do that as neatly as I can. But here she is. It's very, very snug, very tight. I could actually probably do it a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna lace up the next one and then we're gonna skate around the house. Don't tell my husband. All right, I got them on. Right off the bat, I can tell you, I'm so glad that I got the size 8. They fit perfectly. So here they are. Okay. Let me see if I could skate around a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah! This is gonna take some getting used to. Okay. I don't look cute at all. I might go outside and try this. Let's go into my backyard. I'm getting my balance. I'm heading to the door. I feel like a baby learning how to walk. Don't fall. Okay, now should have opened this back door. Oh gosh, this floor is super slippery. Okay, let me open this garage. Garage is opened. This is not the best floor to do it on. It's a little bumpy, but I think it's good to practice. Okay. Okay, oh, I'm feeling a little more comfortable. Hold on. I don't know the best way to start, but I'm just gonna kind of try to roll around. Tighter, that's for sure. I just made them so much tighter. I was able to tie them all the way to the top. So let's try to get up now. Okay. Alright. That feels better. Tighter is better. gonna take some time. Okay, it's the pushing that I can't get used to. I'm getting a little bit better. How are you supposed to stop? Do you just spin? Oh! Okay. Okay, I'm feeling a little more comfortable in them now. Still can't really figure out how to stop properly. It's fun. My feet are starting to get a little bit sore because I'm not used to. Ooh. Eee. I should call my husband out here. Okay, I just texted him. See if he actually comes outside. Let me put this down.
Oh my god! Yeah, babe! That's awesome! Whoa! Ruby,
hard.
go get her. It's hard?
Yeah.
Look what she's
Hard.
doing, Ruby. Can you believe this? Did you really need my help?
I didn't need your help. I never said I needed your help. I said, can you come up here, please?
Oh, I don't know why I read help.
Because I'm a
is
damsel
awesome.
in distress.
That's so cool. They look great on you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's gonna take some time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It doesn't help that there's a bunch of bumps.
Yeah.
in this.
It's okay.
Yeah. But you know you can do it. Here we can roll up the rug.
Okay. I just gotta learn how to like stop and
Yeah.
spin.
Whoa. That's so cool. A little figure skater.
Used to be. It's hard.
It feels, I'm sure it feels very different from skating.
Oh yeah.
Skating.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. I like them.
Nice.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you.
I love him. They look great.
Let's go skateboard. Or you go skateboard and I'll roller skate.
Okay, gotta build my board.
Okay. All right. This is going to take a lot more practice than I thought, but I think I could get it. It's fun. Maybe if I go somewhere flat, like that's not bumpy, but I will report back Ooh, on my skating progress. Huh? No. I mean, it's easier.
Yeah.
It's a mess in here.
Yeah, well, what happens when you're moving from an office?
Okay, I'm gonna just keep going over here. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I'm excited to keep practicing. I'll have to report back on my progress. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's something different, but you know, just gotta start having more fun with this channel, and this is definitely fun. If you guys did enjoy this, please let me know, leave a like, and if you want to see me skate more, let me know, and could be my little journey learning how to skate. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.